Hello, this is Midwestern State University Fluid Powered Lab. We're going to take a quick rundown of this lab. I'm going to do an overview here of the lab, some of the equipment being shown. Some of the safety equipment here. We have a fire extinguisher. Just inspected here in March of 2020. Eye wash station mounted on the wall. And some of the equipment that the students use to perform this lab. Dr. John Brink is the instructor of this lab, and he will be speaking to you next.
Okay. Yes, these are fluid power trainers. These are hydraulic and pneumatic trainers, and you can see that we have the equipment over here stored and more equipment over there. That's hydraulic equipment, pneumatic equipment. We also have some equipment here in the back of the trainers, okay, that the students use for the different lab experiments. You see hoses that we keep in boxes, okay, and that's what they use to hook up the hydraulics. So that's what we use. The trainers come with a lab book. I created a lab book for this hydraulics and pneumatics lab. Besides that, they take Automation Studio and make drawings of the circuits. And here's where they get some practical experience doing this, besides a lot of theory. I normally explain all the labs in the classroom, and then they come to the lab so that they can understand what they're doing. We have 5 regular trainers. This one here, this one here, 3, 4, and 5. And then over here we have a demo model of a servo hydraulic trainer. There's a servo valve system here. We have another servo valve system over here. And we have one proportional valve hydraulic system that's PLC controlled. So we usually give demos on that. There by the window you see some other equipment there where we have some Venturi devices there, and and over here we have some hydraulic motors with different loads over here that we can use. And that's about it that we have over here. Inside of these trainers, these little bit different types of trainers, we have more equipment that they store there. They will learn about hardwired electric control. We have some relays and timers here. And then later on in the automation lab, when they take the machine control programming class, they will actually learn about PLCs. But it's very important that they learn hardwired control first. Here you see some solenoid valves and all that, some gauges, some more pneumatic equipment. And it's all the hook power comes here from the wall. Air is over here where we can hook up air supply there, right there. And that's how we run the lab. We have about 3 to 4 people per trainer. Really no more than that, for it's kind of pushing the high side. And that's about all I have to say, except one more thing. Over here are the safety glasses, and also here's where they can wash their hands. We have some soap, and then we have rags here to clean the hydraulic trainers. And over here we're getting a new station, another station for air dispenser. From the safety viewpoint, we have here a first aid kit, and over here, I think Mr. J. Barnett already indicated this. We have that fire extinguisher and an eye cleaning station here. And by the way, these red cans that you see here are for the oil. So after the oil rags, after the students have been cleaning the labs, they put the oil rags in there.